You may have seen some headlines recently that Gemini is now connecting to Google Business Profile. And some of this coverage is starting to make it sound like AI is about to replace Google Business Profile management entirely. Now, I read Google's actual documentation, did a real hands-on walkthrough, and I want to walk you through exactly what the feature does, who can actually use it right now, and most importantly, the one restriction that directly protects your value as an agency owner. Google recently announced their new Gemini app feature that is built specifically for small business owners. And this is starting to roll out globally. So this core update is that you can now connect a Google Business Profile directly to the Gemini app. And once connected, Gemini can now update the profile information, including hours, menus, photos, attributes, and more. It can manage customer engagement like drafting review replies, creating and publishing posts, and it can pull business insights like performance metrics like calls, for instance, plus the actual search keywords people are using to find the business. Now, there's also a second piece, and this is called Business Notebooks. And this is actually a workspace inside Gemini that proactively flags things like missing hours or unanswered reviews. And it even lets business owners ask open-ended questions about their business data over time. And on paper, that sounds like it could actually replace a chunk of what Google Business Profile agencies offer. So let's talk about who can actually use this. Here's the detail not as many people are talking about. This feature is currently limited to business owners or managers who have access to only one verified Google Business Profile. So if someone manages multiple locations or manages profiles for multiple businesses, which is exactly what you do as an agency, they are explicitly excluded from this update right now. This also requires signing in with a personal Google account, not a work or a shared account. And I should note that this is not available just yet in every country or every language. So what this means in plain terms, a solo dentist, the single location salon owner, the one truck plumber, they can get this. You managing 10 client logins from one location under one login currently cannot get this same feature. So the real story here is that AI isn't really replacing agencies. Your clients technically have a little bit smarter assistant sitting inside this app if this is a tool that they use. But that can also be very useful information for you and not a threat. Now, to be fair here, some of what this can do is actually genuinely impressive. If a business has hundreds of reviews, it can ask it to check those reviews and look for themes so they can get feedback on their business and know what to continue doing and what things they need to improve. It can also ask it to create graphs or look for changes in review sentiment over time. It could suggest categories or services that the business is missing. And it can even help to identify search terms that the business would show up for, but that you are not yet using inside the Google Business Profile. So I found the output that it gave to actually be detailed and rather organized like AI tends to do. But there were definitely some gaps where humans are needed. For a business owner who wants to try to use this on their own, this actually can be really helpful to them if they don't have any prior knowledge of Google Business Profile, and they can think of this as a consultant that they can actually bounce some ideas off of and get some feedback from, but it doesn't replace the need for an actual consultant. Now, here's the part that actually matters. I found, and other people are finding as well, that in looking at how Gemini is actually providing feedback and how they are analyzing the profile itself, some of the feedback is actually genuinely helpful, and some of the feedback doesn't actually apply to the business, and it wouldn't be something that you actually want to implement. So that is where you come in, really being able to know the difference between what actually is strategic for the business. It would make sense for them to implement to get better results, and what you just need to actually ignore, because AI doesn't yet know exactly how to bring in all the details of that business outside of just what is in their profile. That is where you and the business owner have much more valuable information. So really, you knowing when a suggestion is just more generic AI pattern matching versus a decision that's actually going to be right for this business in this actual market with this actual competition. So while it provides lots of ideas, knowing which of those ideas to actually implement and in what order, that's a judgment call that needs you. Now, here's what you want to do with this information over the coming weeks. First, if you have existing clients, you want to bring this up to them before the client brings it up to you, or before the client cancels, thinking that, well, now they can just use Gemini to be able to get the feedback they need. So send a short note, because this shows that you are on top of things and that you will always inform them of anything that they need to know as a business owner. This also allows you to tell them how to think about this, how you can help them, and how the app could help them before they go hear about it somewhere else and then try to figure out if it's actually useful or what they should do with this information. So saying something like, you might start seeing a Gemini prompt to connect your Google business profile. Here's what it does and doesn't change about what I handle for you. So when you're the one who explains it, you're the one who builds trust. If you want a free template for how to reach out to them, what to send them, then you can use the free template that I have linked down in the description. Number 2, reframe your value out loud. You're not the person who just edits hours and adds posts to their profile. You're the person who knows which of Gemini's features, suggestions are actually worth acting on. You catch it when it's wrong, and you handle the strategy and the consistency that a client is not going to do on their own because they're running their own business. And third, you can actually use this as a research shortcut yourself. If you have any single profile clients that you manage and you're doing so under their own login, which I'm not a fan of, by the way, but if you are doing that, this can also be a really fast way to surface and review themes and keyword gaps, and then you can go out and validate those. Now, this is exactly the kind of prompt engineering and AI workflow layer that I built the Google Business Profile AI prompt pack around. This is a set of ready-to-use prompts for exactly this kind of research and content generation. So you're using tools like Gemini as a shortcut instead of starting from a blank cursor. You'll find that linked below if you'd find that helpful. Now, as you've probably already figured out, Google rolling AI deeper into business profile isn't just a one-time event. This is a direction. So I'd expect more of your client tools to start getting an AI layer as we move forward. So the agencies that are going to really struggle through these updates and these new features are the ones who are saying, hey, I'm going to log in and I'm going to update your hours. But the agencies who are going to continue to thrive and are going to continue to add value to these local businesses are the ones that are selling the judgment, the strategy, and the results. And these are all the things that AI can't reliably do on its own. So this is really going from a task doer to a strategist. So if that's not how you are currently showing up, you want to make sure that that is how you begin presenting your services. I'll continue sharing more Google Business Profile updates as they come out here on the channel, as well as new Google Business Profile strategies. As always, thank you so much for spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one.